Most people get virtual office services wrong. They assume they are just for mail forwarding, but Alliance Virtual Offices offers a full suite of business solutions. Here's my experience using it. Alliance provides a prestigious business address, mail handling, phone answering, and even meeting room access. The surprising truth is that having a professional address can boost credibility, especially if you're running a small or home-based business. I used it for 6 months, and clients often assumed I had a physical office, which improved trust and conversions. Mail handling is seamless. You can choose digital notifications, physical pickup, or forwarding. Most people get this wrong by thinking virtual offices only scan mail. Alliance gives options for secure, timely handling. The phone answering service is customizable, so calls are answered in your company's name. I found this helps maintain a professional image without hiring full-time staff. Meeting rooms are available globally if you need an occasional physical location. Pricing starts around $49 per month, which is reasonable given the services provided. Most people overlook the ROI of professional address, and call handling can save hundreds in hiring or leasing costs while improving business image. In conclusion, Alliance Virtual Offices is a solid solution for small business owners, freelancers, and remote entrepreneurs. It's professional, convenient, and scalable as your business grows. Subscribe for more honest virtual office reviews so you can make smarter business decisions.